Welcome to Tech Titan Reviews, your go-to source for the latest in tech innovations. In the world of drones, DJI has consistently been a leader, delivering cutting-edge technology that pushes the boundaries of what's possible. The DJI Neo, the latest addition to their lineup, is no exception. This article will dive deep into everything we know about the DJI Neo, from its sleek design and powerful specs to the anticipated price and release date. Whether you're a seasoned drone enthusiast or a newcomer eager to explore the skies, the DJI Neo promises to be a game changer. The DJI Neo is set to redefine the standards for compact drones. Weighing just 230 grams, this drone is not only the lightest DJI has ever produced, but also one of the most portable on the market. This featherweight design means it's lighter than most smartphones, making it incredibly easy to carry around. The foldable design is one of the most innovative aspects of the DJI Neo. This level of portability makes it perfect for travelers, hikers, and anyone who needs a drone that can go anywhere. Despite its lightweight construction, the Neo is built with a magnesium alloy frame, providing a perfect balance of durability and portability. Equipped with a 1-inch CMOS sensor and a 48-megapixel camera, the Neo delivers stunning visuals that are rich in detail. Whether you're capturing 4K video at 30 frames per second or snapping high-resolution photos, the Neo ensures every shot is crystal clear. One of the standout features of the Neo's camera system is its 24mm lens, which offers a wide field of view. The Neo also features a USB-C charging port, which simplifies the recharging process. This means you can use the same charger for your drone as you do for your other devices, reducing the need for multiple cables and chargers. The DJI Neo comes equipped with a suite of advanced flight features that enhance both performance and safety. One of the most impressive is the obstacle avoidance system, which uses sensors to detect and avoid obstacles in real time. This system significantly reduces the risk of collisions, making the Neo a safer choice for both beginners and experienced pilots. The DJI Neo also incorporates a range of intelligent features that push the boundaries of what's possible with a compact drone. One such feature is the Master Shots mode, which automatically plans a flight route and captures a sequence of shots, resulting in a polished, edited video with minimal input from the user. This is perfect for those who want to create professional-looking videos without spending hours in the editing room. While DJI has yet to officially announce the price and release date of the DJI Neo, rumors suggest that it will be competitively priced, potentially even lower than the DJI Air 2S. This would position the Neo as an excellent value proposition, offering many of the features found in higher-end models at a more accessible price point.